James.
Hello, mate.
What are you doing, James?
Oh, Soakaway today.
Yeah.
Second Soakaway on the
Second
job.
one. You've got one over there, haven't you?
Yeah, we've got a bigger one over there. This is a little bit small. This is the standard size.
Yeah.
A metre cubed. This is to take the other end of the building because there's a little bit more roof loading going on down there of rainwater. So, and in fact, that end, probably in one of the first videos we showed that the rainwater all actually runs into the foul waste currently.
Oh yeah, that's
so we
right.
need to change that. We can't continue to do that, especially with the additional stuff we're putting on. So we're digging another soak, or we dug another Soakaway.
And we do get a lot of people going, oh, we can't do it in chalk.
Building control are happy with it, so that's fine. So last time we just soldiered on and built it, and no one got to see it, and everyone wanted to see this Soakaway.
Yeah, they want to see you laying the honeycomb.
Yeah, so today we thought I waited a bit. I thought get it on video and we can see a bit of honeycomb brickwork.
That's good of you.
Get to spend a bit of time down in the hole. I quite like it down there.
Yeah, it's good, isn't it?
Good. I prefer doing this to crates. Number one, because crates are really expensive. Number two, I'll get to practice my brickwork and it can be as bad as I like, because no one's ever going to see it. And number three, it's just nice being down with the soil and the chalk. All the minerals in it, they're good for you.
Yeah, something going on there.
It is, it makes you feel good. I'm not going to level much of this up. I might every couple of courses just chuck a level on it to see how we're looking, but it doesn't need to be perfect by any sense of the word. So I did actually put a level on that concrete that I put down yesterday.
So basically you've put a strip of concrete around the edge.
That's it.
But you've left the middle
Yeah.
for the water to run through and get away. But the idea is that it's also going to soak into the walls of the
Yeah, so if it fills up at all,
it'll soak away
it'll
go somewhere.
it'll go, yeah. Better than going down the drain. We just put a dot of muck on either side, nail bricks over the gaps, and then the same again. So we've got all them holes all the way through. I'll put a few down. So it just continues up like that, all the way to the top. Turning around in circles, I don't know where I'm going.
No, you've got to work clockwise to screw yourself into the ground.
Yeah.
Long, does it?
Not at all. This is why I sort of begrudge buying the crates. And all that effort to dig out the hole.
Crate.
Might as well spend a bit of time down there.
Is that too stiff, James? You want a bit of water with it?
No, that's fine.
This is nice, isn't it?
Yeah.
This downstairs bathroom.
Yeah, I've got to hoover up a little bit. It's just we've just taken the sheets up.
Yeah.
But yeah, the tiles went down last weekend. Kevin came in. And,
Oh, did he? Came on the weekend?
Yeah, he came on. He did Friday and Saturday actually to finish it off. But all of our efforts in leading up to this from a few months ago, getting these levels set, and this one being that we wanted it 30mm lower than that one. So now we end up with this perfectly flush finish through here. So this is Carndine, and these are tiles. It's not a bad match. So we'll just have a silicone joint through there, and then the rest will be grouted. So I think Kevin is actually popping back this Saturday. I think
Is he?
He loves a weekend work, that boy. So he's going to grout up in there, grout the floor, and then we're ready to fit the suite. The decorators just finished today. We built all that in. That's stud work and plaster.
Oh, is it? I was just plasterboard and basically you put some MDF shelves.
MDF shelves, that's it. You got it.
Oh, nice.
That's it. And then our bath will come right up to the edge here.
Yeah.
All our plumbing down there for the bath. Basin there with mirror. So rather than the standard looking towel rail, which is tall and narrow, this one is wider but shorter.
Oh, okay.
So it's obviously fitting between those two pipes. It'll come up to about that sort of height.
Okay. Oh,
And then this is for an electrical element.
Oh, okay, for summer. Yeah.
So we can have the heating off, but they can still keep the towels warm or dry or whatever. Then obviously we've got the shower, which we've seen before, but we'll get that fitted.
I'm not sure whether I saw that you moved that light over.
Yes.
I think I may have done.
So that's that one moved and that one was moved as well. So
let's have a look at your bit of fill where the old hole was. Let's just see how
it was there.
We're not going to tell you where it is, viewers. You've got to spot the hole. The one nearest the hole wins a box of forged fast screws. It's all getting a bit cosy in here now, isn't it?
It is, yeah. Well, it's everyone's been up here today. We've got electricians in at the moment.
Yeah.
So there was a little bit of adjustment to some of the lighting situation that was going on. So there's 3 lights instead of 2 now. Well, it was originally 2 lit mirrors, but now they're normal mirrors with a light in between each space.
Oh.
So it's a bit of adjustment there, but nothing major that we couldn't handle. We're still at a stage of the job where we can adjust stuff, so that's no big deal. So we've just been setting up for the plumbing for the basins. The double basin again. Yep. So this is it.
Good, yeah.
Yeah, so we just worked out the centre of the basin and then the centres to each.
You're going to leave a bit of support on it this time.
Yes, although no, this one's actually floor standing anyway.
Oh, is it?
So we're all right.
Oh, okay.
But the good thing about this one as well is it's custom made, so a bespoke unit.
Oh.
So basically what happened is they give you this is 2 meters long. And they say, right, here's your standards, that's your unit, and that's your basins, and that's how it's set out.
Yeah.
So we looked at that, that's fine. And then the client had a look at the mirrors that they wanted to put above it. So they chose a mirror that was, in fact, what we ended up with, the mirror is 580 wide, so 2 mirrors at 580. But if you put the mirrors in the centre of where the tap holes were, it gave you a small gap on this side, a large gap in the middle and a small gap on that end. So we went back to the company and they were absolutely fine with saying we can change the centres of the basins.
Blimey, really?
Yeah, so we've worked the basins to the mirrors.
Wow.
Just so that we've got 3 equal gaps.
Yeah, I'll have a look at who that company is in a while. That's really good.
Yeah, that's very good. I think it's like a marble top with ceramic basins fitted in underneath, so they just cut the holes out to suit.
Oh, okay, gotcha.
So it's pretty good. So we're getting it all on this wall. We've just built this out, and it's going to have a little shelf on there.
Yeah.
But basically, so we can get we can hide all the plumbing.
Yeah.
Get it all out. It goes straight out the side there. We're going to have a loo here, so a waste there. This one will come across the top and drop into a boss.
Yeah.
And that will go straight out to the soil stack on the outside there. This whole ceiling's going to come down.
Yeah. Do you know what? Probably a good idea.
Well, the loft hatch is going.
Yeah.
So by the time we've done that, there was a wall here, and we're going to build a dormer there. So by the time we've messed around, it's not worth trying to leave anything up there. So we stripped the whole lot out, and we'll put a new ceiling right through. We're just setting out for sockets for the bed to go against that wall there. Just rewiring the place really, and we're going to wire this section in with the new extension, so that will be on that ring circuit.
Got it,
Just get it away from the old house, so we can get as much new circuits in as possible.
Yeah, and also it makes testing easier, doesn't it? 'Cause
Exactly.
you're not testing existing stuff.
When I've adjusted things, there's spurs coming off of here, there, and everywhere. DIYers have just done all sorts, but so you don't really know what's where or what's connected to what.
Yeah. And tomorrow I'm going to come in and help you with this bit of plumbing here.
Yeah, a nice Friday job.
Yeah.
Plumbing on a Friday.
Yeah, I hate it. Yeah, that means Saturday morning you get the phone call, don't you?
We've got no hot water.
Yeah. All right.
We'll adjust all that. We can get all of that out of the way, and then we're ready for almost ready for taking all this lot out for building our dormer.
Yeah, that'd be nice.
Just waiting for a bit of scaffolding on the outside, and
Yeah.
oh yeah, an engineer's spec would be nice. He's worked it all out. I just don't have it on paper yet, but
You need something to work to, a bit of a drawing, yeah.
Yeah, but we know it works, and he's happy with it. We're happy with it.
Yeah.
So, you know, it's going to be a bit of a pain. We've got to put some long flitch beams up in the loft, but we're still working to our timescale. I think we'll do it.
We've got another job for you. My neighbour
Oh yeah,
came through with another job for you. Only a small extension.
that's all right. We'll sort that out.
Yeah. Okay, that's it then, isn't it?
All done.
Well done. That was lightning quick, wasn't it?
It was.
Especially by the time we speed it up on video. Anyway, any messages for Dylan?
Get well soon and don't pass it on.
Yeah.